Artificial intelligence is transforming industries across the globe. From improving healthcare diagnostics to automating retail and streamlining logistics, AI is reshaping how we work and live. AI's impact in agriculture. AI is making its impact in agriculture consistently. AI-powered tools are analyzing weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop health. Robots and drones powered by AI help monitor fields, spray crops, and even harvest. In vertical farming, AI takes efficiency to the next level. Crops are grown in stacked layers indoors, with AI controlling light, water, and nutrients. This innovative method uses less space and water. Introduction to Oishii. Oishii is an organization in the vertical farming sector, focused on using robots to make farming smarter and more efficient. Challenges faced by Oishii. As they scaled their operations, they encountered challenges in labeling large volumes of image data. They needed to train AI models to detect ripe strawberries and identify precise cutting points on the stems. The complexity of distinguishing between the berry, calyx, and stem, along with varying ripeness levels, made the process both time-consuming and prone to errors. For instance, overlapping stems could be mistakenly labeled as one, leading the robot to cut the wrong stem. This leads to inefficient harvesting. Labeller's group tool solution. To address these challenges, Oishii partnered with Labellerr. Labellerr introduced a grouping tool to streamline the annotation process. First, we labeled each part of the strawberry, the berry, calyx, and stem, using polygon annotations. These annotations helped differentiate the three parts. Then, bounding boxes were used to annotate the entire berry, focusing on the ripeness levels as part of the model's training data. The group tool allowed to group the berry, calyx, and stem together, treating them as a single unit and gave them a common ID for easy tracking. This made it easier for the AI model to understand how these parts interact, improving the accuracy of the model's predictions. Results and impacts. Now, Oishii's AI models became much more accurate in detecting ripeness and identifying precise cutting points. This helped speed up their harvesting process and reduced errors. Conclusion. Labeller's automated annotation and quality control capabilities significantly enhanced the customer's ability to develop a reliable AI model for robotic strawberry harvesting in vertical farming. Book a demo with Labellerr now to explore how different industries like healthcare, sports, security and surveillance, etc., are using computer vision technology.